Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 MPG rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, rear window wiper, front reading lamps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.